Hello guys, today we'll be talking on how you can link your Kabibot account to your Bitget wallet. So this is the Kabibot interface when you log in. So we're going to go to bots and then click on credentials. We've already created one before. Then we click the drop down, click on create credentials. So then you select the platform in which you're linking the Kabibot account to. So selected Bitget. Then this IP addresses, we'll come back to this later on in the video. So now we go to our Bitget account, you log in, you allow it to load up, then you go to your account section, or you click on your account icon, you click on the account icon, and then you scroll down to API keys. That is where we're going to be doing the linking. So you allow it to load up, and then you click on create API, select system generated API key, and then you have your notes and your passphrase. So for the notes, you can name it anything you want, basically. Just let it be specific to what you're doing at that point in time, so at least you get to remember. So now we're going to call my trade Bitget. And then for the passphrase, you can also name it anything you want, but make sure it's something you can remember, because you're going to be needing it later on in this video. So I've created mine. Then come here, you give it the same name also, trade Bitget. And this API keys and secret keys will also get to that part, but we'll need to create this first before we get that. So now you put in your passphrase that you also used. Remember, I said we'll be needing it, and it's also very important. So the same passphrase you used in the Bitget wallet is what you use here. So now we're going to be copying the IP addresses. So you scroll down, there's a section there, you paste, and then you use a comma to separate it from the next one you'll be copying. We're copying every single IP address there to this API section on your Bitget app. So you paste everything, you make sure the numbers are correct, cross-check them. You can see I'm putting my commas. That is what you use to differentiate or separate all the whole IP addresses you're fixing in. So after that, we go back to our Kabibot. There are some required permissions we are supposed to do before we can create our API key. So the first one we have there is read and write, or read write, not read and write, read write. So you can see it's checked already. Then the second one, check others. So you go back, click, you tick it, then go back, check for the next one, holdings. Then after that, trade. And then the next one is check wallet transfer. I can't find that here. It should be around somewhere. I can't find it yet. So it should be around here somewhere. Then we also have check sub accounts, manage, yes. Then wallet transfer, I think I've seen it. Yes, it's right under sub account. So check wallet transfer. So the transfer is the only thing we're checking. Yeah. And then I think it also said check trade. So for the check trade, I think we're going to just tick all the whole trade boxes because it didn't specify which one in particular we should check. So we're going to tick all the whole trade boxes. So you cross check to see if everything is correct and in place. And then you go ahead and click next. So automatically a code would be sent to your email, and then you also get a code from your Google Authenticator. So those codes are what you input into this stage to get to the next stage. So you click on confirm, and now you can see our API key and secret keys have appeared. Remember I told you we would get to that part in the video. So this is where we're going to be copying and pasting them to. As you can see, they are still blank. So you paste the API key there, and then you also go and copy the secret key, and then you paste it there too. Yes. So now we just need to cross check every single thing before we create our API key. So now you click on confirm before going back to your Kabibot account and you add credentials. So that is how you link your Kabibot to your Bitget wallet. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section.